Runaway chicken. Chickens. Runaway chickens. Annoying. Runaway chickens. Runaway chicken. Yeah.
They're going to stay here, aren't they? Yeah.
I'm gonna turn them into chicken nuggets. Oh, you didn't like that. I'm gonna turn them into chicken nuggets. Guess what? Guess what? I've had your brother and sisters. I've had your brothers and sisters here. Ooh. Got your brothers and sisters here. Got your brothers and sisters.
It's like bright red.
I had the brothers and sisters there. Brothers and sisters. I've had this brothers and sisters. Oh, naughty. Oh, that was hilarious. Bit dangerous for chickens to be walking around.
Dry.
No, it's Dylan here, and he just about got attacked by chicken. Dottie, shut up! I'll turn you into chicken nuggets. Turkey dinosaurs. God damn. Horsey. Samurai soldiers here. Dottie just about got attacked by some chickens. The bloody hell. I think you might need to go toilet.
He's a little fish.
What, you don't this is going on my YouTube channel.
I didn't see you food.
Yeah, you didn't get me running up.
Oh no, I did. I got all the chickens and all that. You touch me, I'll take you to a Chinese restaurant. Well, I'll be having a little duck for tea. Yeah, that's what I thought.
One ran at you now, Dylan. You'd be over that fence screaming.
Turn it into a Chinese.
Yeah, I'll blow you with it. I'm really hungry. Oh yeah, I am.
Turn it up into a Chinese.
Wait, do we go in it? Right?
Did the reindeer get out? That's where the reindeer are meant to be. The bloody.
Right, put your phone away now.